So natural gas is increasing in the U.S. How is that going to impact the whole relationship to electricity?
You know, one of the things I never really realized is how clean natural gas is. You know, it's half the carbon, and it's a fraction of all the other stuff. It's a fraction of the SO2, a fraction of the NOx. There's no mercury at all. So when we think about it, yes, it's still a fossil fuel, but it's actually very clean, right? And we have a lot of it.
Yeah.
2 years ago, people were worried that we might be running out of natural gas. And if that was the case, we were going to have to import it like we do oil from countries with a lot of it. Suddenly, with this technology that has been really discovered and revolutionized here in our state, with horizontal drilling and fracturing of these shale layers, we think we've got hundreds of years of reliable natural gas. It has completely changed the landscape. So it's a domestic resource. We have a lot of it. It's really, I think it's pretty kind on the generation plants. In other words, I think you can burn it, and it doesn't take a lot of wear and tear on your plant. And you have the ability to ramp your plant up and down to respond to renewable energy like wind or sun. Now, there seems to be developing a lot of concern about pollution emissions associated with drilling. So when you put all these drilling rigs in the middle of an urban area like Fort Worth, which sits on top of the Barnett Shale, they're going to emit some gases, and so there's some issues there. There's also people who are afraid that drilling through the water table to reach the natural gas shale could cause some contamination of the water table. I don't think it's ever happened, but there's some people who are concerned about it.
Yeah.